going on? The Tory government said to everybody, oh, the Labour messed it up. Look at the country in such a mess. But look at them. They give the big contract for £5 billion to the Germans. And they're closing down the Rover company, the Leyland company. All this, no fact, nothing, everything we buy from China. BT Telecom going to India. Where a job? All the closing post office, no library. Park dirty, they say we don't need workers, they are hiring private cleaners, very efficient, they say, and rubbish everywhere and the mosquitoes biting. Terrible. Get some workers. Nice, would look nice if they spend some money. They're putting all the money, more taxes, more VAT, no helping. Economy going down all the time. And the pocket so deep, deeper than the Pacific Ocean, never satisfied. Offshore account. Not in Punjab, but in Monaco, wherever they open their company and not paying taxes, and they want the student not to have pocket money, they want double expenses, 2 hours, one in Oxford, one in London, and they can pay for all this, and the student £30 they can't give. What is this? What is this?
Yeah. What you gonna say about this?
And before Cameron came to government, he's saying British company, he went to Scotland, we're going to build ships, we're going to do a lot of good stuff.
Yeah.
And now what is happening there in government? They're closing all company and the company is going down. Look, America, the car company going down, they put a lot of money. Now Chrysler, they're buying, even buying Chrysler from America. They got a lot of jobs, but we don't have nothing. Even Ford company want to close down.
So what do you say about that, mister? Do you have any solution of that?
He's a candidate. Why you supporting
I
him?
support Lib Democrats, the collective.
Why?
Cameron is a hero.
No. Cameron is a hero because he didn't enter into the EU. Otherwise, things would have been even worse. It is very good that he did not enter into the EU. The treaty that they were trying to drag Britain into.
Are big British people going to get jobs? They got Tesco's, they putting all scanner machine and the people doing job for the company. They're making billions of pounds and they're sacking stuff. We need only 4 staff. 1 cashier, 2 cashier. All company running on 4 stuff. And all job closing down. Where people going to work? Well, let's all go for fishing. We'll just open fish farm instead of close. They can grow fish in the farm. We can have a lot more sheep because they are very expensive.
So what do you think, mister? What is the solution? You're not talking about the solution. You said I am solution of everything.
Greenpeace,
Yeah.
Greenpeace can save.
Right.
Greenpeace only grow potato. What else can they do?
And fish.
And fish. And
This
so
country only produces fish and chips, The rest comes from the other world because of their knowledge and mind and teaching.
But all this greedy bugger, the banker saying I deserve £2 million salary, and then all these bonuses, and then the company go down, they're making 4 billion loss, and the salary is not getting cut, they're not getting sacked, and they're saying the best manager in the whole world. If we go, the company going to close down. The Britain not going to be efficient. What kind of stuff is this? He's only going in a nice chauffeur car. He got nice beautiful girl this side, one that side, one prostitute with him, and then another wife at home. What is this going on?